Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Marble Snap game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marble Snap game on your smartphone. And if you're opening the game for the first time, you will see the terms and conditions, which you will need to agree with. Just tap on the accept button and then click on submit. Now you can either start playing your game directly or you can use your Apple or Google account to sign up. Just choose your desired method, and now you can use your preferred Apple ID or your Google account in order to log in. Just enter the email address or phone number associated with the appropriate account and then press the next button. You can then enter your password, and once your access has been allowed, your account will be created through your Apple account right away. Alternatively, you can also use the sign in with Google button and choose your Google account to create your new account right away. Once you choose your preferred Google account, a team will be assembled for you, and this will begin the basic tutorial match. Once you have completed this match, you can then set up your profile and start playing the Marble Snap game with other users right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Marble Snap game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.